guys are doing great. Thank you very much for the support. Really appreciate. And today I'm here to cook spicy chicken wings. So I'm gonna give it my own twist. I'm gonna marinate the chicken and then grill it in the oven. Okay, let's get cooking. Thank you. Alright guys, we're gonna start with a marinade prep. Got everything set up there. Gonna add the yogurt first. So I'm using thick yogurt. And what I also did is onion and chilies. I grinded them to a paste. So it's both 1 onion and 5 chilies. A tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Gonna give it a quick mix. Start with the dry spices, red chili powder, some turmeric, Garam Masala, some Jeera powder, and then gonna add a bit of coriander powder. Salt and pepper as per your taste. So these are spicy wings, so I'm using quite few chilies and chili powders. I'm also gonna use some chili sauce. Give it a nice mix. There you go, red chili sauce. Mix it thoroughly. So I'm just adding some red food color, guys, but it's optional. But yeah, it's up to you. If you want to use it, you can or not. You can just ignore the color. As you can see, there's a lot of change now. It's very eye appealing. So what I'm doing now is I've got the chicken wings. I'm just gonna poke it with the fork. The reason I'm doing this is when I mix with the marinade, so it can soak inside the chicken pieces. I'm just gonna add the marinade prepared to the wings. And I'm gonna give a nice mix and fold. There you go, guys. Already looks nice and yummy. Simple and easy. So what we do is we're just gonna leave them in a side for 15 to 20 minutes so that the marinade can soak into the chicken pieces. I've got my grill tray. What I'm using is I'm just using some spray and then gonna paste it on the grill. There you go. Place them nicely. So the grill also got some gap underneath, so the heat will be all around. So you don't need to keep turning into like rotating the chicken pieces. That's it. Place it in the grill and then 220 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. We should be good. leftover marinade, I'm just going to spread it across the chicken pieces. And that's it. Now it's all ready to go inside that oven. As I said, 220 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes. There you go, guys. Yummy chicken wings, spicy chicken wings ready to serve.